Difference between window and split air conditioner. In the window air conditioner, heat exchangers, compressors, motor, and connecting pipes are placed on the same base. Split conditioner consists of two units: indoor unit and an outdoor unit. Window air conditioner occupies more space than split AC. Installation of window AC is easy as compared to split AC. In window AC, multiple cooling units is not possible, whereas it is possible in split AC. Window AC is cheaper than the split AC for the same tonnage. Window AC produces more noise, air, than split AC. Window AC is easily serviceable than split AC. Maximum capacity of window AC is 2 ton, whereas split AC is not restricted to 2 ton. Thanks for watching.